Cumin health benefits. The Ayurvedic herb for body wellness. Cumin. Cumin is a humble spice found in nearly every Indian kitchen. It is not just a flavor enhancer, but a powerhouse of health benefits. Known as Jeera in India in Hindi, cumin seeds have been an essential part of Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, offering a range of therapeutic properties. From aiding digestion to boosting immunity, cumin is a holistic remedy for various ailments. Let's delve into the Ayurvedic perspective on cumin and explore its myriad of health benefits that cumin is going to provide us. The Ayurvedic significance of cumin. In Ayurveda, cumin, which is Cunimum cinnamon, is classified as a pradosic herb, meaning it balances all the three doshas, which is Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. It has warming effect, which helps stimulate digestive fire, Agni, and enhances the metabolism. The spice possesses a bitter, pungent, and a slightly sweet taste, rasa, with light and dry properties, which is the guna. Ayurvedic regards cumin as an essential herb for improving digestion, detoxifying the body, and enhancing overall wellness. Let us talk about the health benefits of cumin. Number one is aids digestion and reduce bloating. Cumin is widely known for its digestive benefits. It stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, promotes gut health, alleviates common issues like bloating, indigestion, and gas. Ayurvedic practitioners often recommend cumin infused water, which is the jeera pani, to soothe the digestive discomfort. Number two is boost immunity. Rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and iron, cumin strengthens the immune system. It fights free radicals, reduces oxidative stress, and enhances the body's natural defense mechanisms. A warm cumin decoction is often used to ward off infections and the colds. Number 3, regulates blood sugar levels. Cumin helps maintain stable blood sugar level, making it beneficial for diabetics. Studies suggest that cumin improves insulin sensitivity and reduces post-meal glucose spikes. Consuming cumin water on an empty stomach may help regulate the blood sugar level. 4 is promotes weight loss. Cumin enhances metabolism and helps burn fat effectively. It reduces cravings, improves digestion, and promotes healthy weight loss. Drinking cumin water or adding roasted cumin powder to meals can support a weight loss regimen. Let's talk about the number 5, which is basically the improves of your respiratory health. Cumin anti-inflammatory properties and antimicrobial properties make it excellent for respiratory health. It clears mucus buildup, soothes the coughs, and aids in conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Cumin tea is a popular home remedy for congestion. Number 6 is enhanced skin and hair health. Cumin is very important because it is packed with essential nutrients. Cumin benefits the skin by reducing acne, promoting a healthy glow, and delaying premature aging. The antibacterial properties help prevent infections. Additionally, cumin supports hair growth by nourishing the scalp and strengthening the hair follicles. Number 7 is support detoxification. Cumin acts as a natural detoxifier by eliminating toxins from the body. It purifies the blood, enhances liver function, and promotes kidney health. Ayurveda often recommends cumin based herbal formulations for cleansing the system. Number 8 is improves heart health. Cumin helps in maintaining cholesterol levels, reduce bad cholesterol LDL and increasing good cholesterol which is HDL. It also supports healthy blood circulation and reduces the risk of hypertension, thus promoting a cardiovascular functions and a wellness. Now let us talk about how to consume the cumin for maximum benefits to the body. The number one way is cumin water. Boil a teaspoon of cumin seeds in water and drink it warm for digestion and detoxification. Number 2 is roasted cumin powder. Sprinkle it over salads, yogurt or curries to enhance flavor and nutrition. Cumin tea. Boil cumin seeds with ginger and honey for a soothing herbal tea. You can also go for cumin paste. Mix ground cumin with honey or aloe vera for glowing skin. Cumin is more than just a spice. It is a natural healer with immense Ayurvedic significance. From digestion to immunity, these tiny seeds play a vital role in overall well-being. Incorporating cumin into your daily routine can offer long-term health benefits, making it must-have in every household. So whether consumed as a tea, powder, or infusion, cumin's therapeutic properties can help you achieve a balanced and a healthy lifestyle. So the next time you reach for cumin in your spice rack, remember that you are holding a time-tested Ayurvedic treasure. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and do like to this video for more health and fitness related content.